Hey everyone, welcome back to another TAD tune-up video. I'm Brandon, and today we'll be exploring another great feature inside of Titan Advisor, offering pre-built estimate options. Without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Titan Advisor, and if you're not familiar, we're going to go ahead and select this rocket ship in the top right-hand corner, and that's going to bring us right into Titan Advisor. Okay, I've got today's feature, offer customers pre-built estimate options, saved to my current plan here. But if you're trying to find this, we're going to head to selling and performing work, and then click into optimization. You'll see the second option down, offer customers pre-built estimate options. And you'll also notice this is valued at 5 points. Okay, let's go ahead and click into our feature. Here you're going to see the feature description as well as the KPIs, so the average ticket and the close rates. We'll also see that this feature is available to all customer types. Okay, below that, we're going to see a GIF. And then scrolling down a little bit further, we're going to see what to set up. And here we're going to see two pieces that we need to set up. The first is creating estimate templates. We'll see here the success criteria is to create at least 3 estimate templates. And the second piece to this is to create proposal templates. The criteria here is publishing at least 1 proposal template that includes at least 3 estimate templates. Okay, so these proposals are going to include the estimate templates that we create up top. So this will be something like option 1, 2, 3, or option good, better, best, and those will live on the proposal templates themselves. Okay, under the how to use, what we're measuring here is the percent of completed jobs with estimates in the last 30 days where estimates were added using proposal templates. Okay, we'll come back to this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the setup piece here. For that, we're going to navigate to our price book tab. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of here, and we'll navigate to price book up top in our navigation bar. All right, so here in the price book tab, we're going to be selecting templates on the left-hand side. And you'll notice that within templates, there are 2 sections. We have our estimate templates and our proposal templates. Okay, so the proposal template, again, it's going to be something like our good, better, best, our water heater, our blower motor, and these proposals are going to house, or they're going to hold the estimates that we create. Remember from our criteria, we need at least 3 estimates to live on a proposal template. Today, we're going to take a look at what it looks like when we have 4 estimates on a proposal template. Okay, back into the estimate templates. Again, these are going to be those individual options. So something like a 20, a 30, or a 40-ton water heater, a good, better, and a best. These are going to be our estimate templates. Now, like I said, we need to have at least 3. We're going to go ahead and actually create 4. We are going to create the very best estimate template here. And to do that, we're going to need to select Create in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to choose Estimate Template. Remember, we already have the good, the better, and the best created, so we're going to create the very best. Here on the setup page, you're going to have an internal name as well as an external name, so what your customers will see. I'm going to add this very best to our summary as well, and we'll go ahead and continue. Okay, now again, we're creating these proposals or these options for our customers. So you're going to be able to select from the price book any services, equipments, or materials, or you can also create item groups. And if your account is configured, you can also add discounts and fees. So I'm going to go ahead and click into add a service, and we're just going to add a miscellaneous item for our example today. And since we're just creating an example, I'm just going to go ahead and create the template. So now under estimates, we have the good, the better, and the best that were existing, and we have the very best that we just created together. Now, clicking back over to proposal templates, I want to call out a couple of items here. The first is the number of estimates that are currently within the proposal is going to list directly on this page. You'll also see if the proposal template is currently in a draft status or if it is a live proposal that's able to be used by your office and your technicians. Also notice up top, this setting gear icon with proposal types. Clicking here is going to show you any existing proposal type that you have created. We can see different options here like good, better, best, option 1, 2, 3, gold, silver, platinum. You can create and customize as many proposal types as you would like. And for our specific example today, we're going to create a new one that is good, better, best, and the very best. Now I can add as many options as I need to. In this case, we're going to need 4, and we're going to put the very same items. So good, better, best, and very best. So now that we've created our proposal type, I'm going to go ahead and select Done here, and we're going to create a new proposal template. For that, we're going to click up to Create again in the top right-hand corner, and this time we're choosing Proposal Template. Here, we're going to give our proposal template a name. We had the good, better, best, and very best. We're going to go ahead and continue. And under the proposal type, I'm going to go ahead and make the selection that we just created. Here we go, good, better, best, very best. We should expect to see 4 choices here. And now I can go through my estimate template library and I can drag these over to my proposal template. Now again, with that customization, this doesn't have to be good, better, best. These can be any of the options that you've created. Again, like option 1, 2, 3, gold, silver, platinum. The choice is yours when it comes to the customization here. So now that we have selected our estimate template items, we're going to go ahead and save and publish. So that is our second criteria there. That is the second piece that we needed to set up, was publishing the proposal template with at least 3 estimates. In this case, we took it a step further and we included 4. You can also click the drop down here and be shown those individual estimate templates. Next, we're going to take a look at what this looks like when viewing a job from the office, as well as technician out in the field. All right, so here we are back in the office on a jobs page. Just wanted to quickly show you the option of adding that proposal. I'm going to click into Job Actions. We're going to click on Add an Estimate. And then here I can see the proposal template that we've just created that contains the 4 estimates. I can actually hover over the 4 and see those 4 different options that I've included. Now I can make my selection, click Done, and in just a moment, we'll see those estimates appear directly on the jobs page. I'm going to switch over to the mobile side. We'll take a look at the ability to add the proposal from mobile. All right, now here on the mobile side, our technician can now navigate to the Estimates tab. They'll see any estimates already loaded by the office, and then they'll be able to add their own estimates either from scratch or by choosing any of the proposal options. In this case, the good, better, best, and the very best. I'm going to go ahead and select this here. And we'll see those added to our estimate so that our technicians can now present the options to our customers. All right, so as a recap, we were able to set up and create at least 3 estimate templates. We were able to publish at least 1 proposal template that included at least 3 estimate templates. And for the how to use, we're going to be measuring the percent of completed jobs with estimates in the last 30 days. We saw how to add those proposals from both the office and the tablet out in the field. All right, so that wraps up today's video on offering pre-built estimate options. I hope this helps you streamline your estimates and make the most of ServiceTitan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next TAD tune-up.